back to you. I'll come running back. You can call my name, and I'll come running back to you. Running back, I'll come running back to you.
Respect my boundaries. Don't come knocking on my door, 'cause it's scary. You must know after everything we've been through, this can't go on no more. You never felt the limits holding you back. And I'm just wishing you would stop.